Hey everyone, BobMangino here. Let's talk about how COVID totally reshaped the Florida's condo market from 2020 to 2022. Have you ever wondered how the COVID story affected falling waters prices? Stick around. We will take a look at what the condos sold for before COVID, at the COVID peak, and what they're currently selling for. COVID started to affect Florida condo prices starting around April 2020. So we'll use that timeline and price data from the Naples MLS to tell the COVID price story. Enjoy the ride. When the pandemic hit, people flocked to Florida seeking more space and sunshine, driving demand for condos through the roof. Low interest rates, remote work made buying easier, pushing prices up faster than ever. Let's look at the following slides to tell the condo story. Disclaimer: this information provided is for general informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional, legal, or financial advice. This is a slide of a two-bedroom condo with a carport in Falling Waters. And what we're showing with this slide is what was the pre-COVID median closed sales price for a condo, for a two-bedroom condo. And prior to COVID, the median close price in April was 198. And then we see during COVID, the market peaked for the two-bedroom. The top condo that sold with the highest closed sales price was one that closed at 477, and that closed April 22nd, 2022, which shows that we had a 141% increase from the pre-COVID price. And then we look over on this side of the chart and we see what the peak price was and then what the current median close price for December of this year is, which was 290. So we see that the price went up 141%, and then it is given back 65%. Now, this is a slide of two-bedroom condos with a garage in Falling Waters, and we show that the pre-COVID median closed sales price for a condo, the two-bedroom with a garage, was $240,000 pre-COVID. And then we see that the highest priced condo, two-bedroom with a garage, the top price, the top closed sales price happened 10/3/22, and the top sales price for the two-bedroom with a garage was $497,000. So we see that the price increased 107% from pre-COVID. And then when we look over on this side of the chart, we see how far the market has retreated from the peak, which was October 3rd, 2022. And the median price of a condo now in Falling Waters for the two-bedroom with a garage is $352,500. So we see that the market has given back 41% of that COVID bump that we saw. This is a slide for a three-bedroom condo with a garage in Falling Waters, and we see that the pre-COVID price for a three-bedroom with a garage in April 2020 was $249,000. When the market peaked, the top sales price for a three-bedroom with a garage was $550,000, and that top closed sales price happened May 26, 2023. So we see that the three-bedroom increased 121% from its pre-COVID price. And then when we look over on this side of the chart, when we see how far the market has retreated from the peak in 23, we see that the market, the median closed sales price for December in Falling Waters for the three-bedroom with a garage is $417,000. So we see the market has retreated 32%. It went up 121%, and now it is backed off 32%. In the last several slides, we compared Falling Waters data In this chart, we're looking at overall Naples data. This chart compares October sales of last year with October sales of this year. And we can see compared to last year, overall pending sales increased 49% in Naples for October, and overall closed sales increased 33%. In conclusion, Farmwater's condo prices have been on a roller coaster ride from pre-COVID prices in April 2020 to COVID peak prices in 2022, and now with prices returning to more normal levels. We also looked at a chart from the Naples MLS, which compared sales in October 2024 with October 2025. The Naples slide showed that pending sales and closed sales are moving higher from last year in Naples. Others are seeing this as a good time to purchase a Naples property. If you're in the market currently for a Farmwater's condo, give me a call and schedule a showing. My contact information is in the next slide. Hope to hear from you.